Have you ever come home from filming something great on your GoPro and you want to show your family and friends straight away, and you don't want to have to chuck it onto your computer and then upload it and then download it and all that rigmarole? Well, there's a quick and easy way of getting it onto your TV via HDMI, and it's so simple, it only takes minutes to set up. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. First of all, you'll need one of these. It's a GoPro Hero 9 Black Media Mod, but you can also use it on the new GoPro Hero 10 Black. I'll put a link to it in the description. Lift up the battery door until it unclips, then grab your GoPro and fully slide it into the Media Mod. And finally, close the latch. On the back of the Media Mod, there are three inputs: a micro HDMI, which is the one we're going to be using today, a USB-C port, which allows you to charge your GoPro while it's in the Media Mod, and a 3mm headphone jack that we covered in a previous video. Grab a HDMI to micro HDMI cable. I got one from Amazon for around about 11 Australian dollars. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Alright, so here's our media screen, our splash screen that we've now got now that we've connected the GoPro to the TV by the HDMI, and we've powered on the GoPro. You can see at the top of the screen we have four different icons. There's the go back icon, there's the select icon, there's the next item icon, and the fourth option, which we're not going to discuss in this video. We're just going to focus on these three icons here. To move around this media screen, you only have to use the two buttons that are available to you on the GoPro. We have the normal power or the selector, and the one that you normally use to record your videos here on the top. To change the options from forward, back, or select, we choose this button here on the side of the GoPro. Chosen the option button to play. You can see it's the middle icon there, the one with the finger. Now I'm going to press the record button on top of the GoPro. By pressing the option button, you can choose to select what you wish to do with the image that's playing on the screen. This one here, if you press that one and then press the record button, it's going to pause the image. You press the option button again, and you can go backwards, forwards, or you can choose this one here, and that will speed up the video in question. Press it again, press the option button again to stop it. Once you're happy with all the vision that you've seen, you can go down to this one here down the bottom right hand corner, and you can press that, and that takes you back to your main menu. Well, there you have it. How easy was that? In only a matter of seconds, we were able to connect a GoPro Hero 9, or you can also use it for the Hero 10, via the Media Mod and via the micro HDMI to HDMI cable to the TV, and you can watch your GoPro footage very quickly and very easily. If you are interested in learning more about the GoPro Media Mod, I have a great video here that you should check out that shows you how to use an external microphone with the GoPro Hero Mod to get the best sound possible.